Once you've earned your dream job, it's time to make it into a career. Turning a job into a career requires a lot of work. It helps if you stand out as a motivated, creative, and well connected individual. Learn the strategies needed to have the career of your dreams with our course, Turning a Dream Job into a Dream Career. This course will help you maximize your opportunities for career advancement by nurturing your professional network. Stand out as a proactive and autonomous employee by taking the initiative. Accelerate your career by being an idea person. Don't let your dream career slip away. Get started on building your ideal career with turning a dream job into a dream career.